How to turn off show notifications on Google Chrome. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on or off show notifications on Google Chrome. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Google. Now click on those 3 points up there and click on setting. Scroll down and click on notifications, and here you're gonna find the first option, which is show notifications. You can turn off or on this option whatever you want or whatever you're comfortable with. And this is it guys, this is how you turn on show notifications on your Google Chrome. It's so easy and quick. So hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.